Hello YouTube, it's Craig with Kazworks Woodworking. Well, today I'm going to work on the lathe some more. We're going to do this bowl. It's made out of oak and basswood. Let's see how I do it. I started out cutting the oak pieces to length. These will eventually get laminated to the basswood. Cut the basswood in half so I could have an alternating pattern between it and the oak pieces. Once all the pieces were cut, I started the glue up. Several clamps were used to apply adequate pressure so that the glue would cure properly. I cut the piece into a circle. It's much easier to work on the lathe without having to take all that excess material off with those tools. Started out with a bowl gouge to start forming the basic shape. I then moved to an easy wood round cutter to start finessing the shape a little bit more. I used both the easy wood radius cutter and the easy wood diamond cutter to make the tenon fit into the chuck. As you can see here, it's always good to have your safety gear on because accidents do happen. Once again, I caught the grain the wrong way and it popped off. Thankfully, I could continue after this. Next, there was quite a bit of sanding to get it just right. Last thing to do was to remove the tenon and finish the bottom surface. And here you have it, the finished product. I'm happy with how it came out.